all the bikes that we have in here were going to be thrown away. But I think people often forget how wasteful we are as a society. Recyke Your Bike is a charity based in the North East, and our purpose is to stop bikes going to landfill. We take bikes, recycle them or refurbish them, and then either give them to members of the public who can't afford them or sell them on.
I just like the idea of being able to make sure that we're supplying bikes to people who might otherwise not have them, but also reusing all the bits and pieces. You don't want them to just go to waste.
The LNER money has supported us with two major projects, which is our supported volunteering scheme and our Bike MOT scheme. We work with lots of housing providers or schools. Every Friday, people can come in and get their bike fixed for free.
A lot of the young people we work with, a lot of them involved with social care. They're living in poverty, basically. They have bikes. Bikes are their only means of transport, their only means of getting around, their only means of attending appointments, and they really mean a lot to them. As soon as something goes wrong with their bike, obviously they can't afford to keep it going or to service it, so to be able to know we can bring it in here and it gets sorted out for free is not only amazing for us, but it brings them a lot of happiness as well.
So if you take those off.
Supported volunteering supports asylum seekers or refugees. They're taught how to strip down a bike and they can build their own bike. So it's all about giving them skills and a sense of community and purpose.
That's that point.
It's really amazing. Yeah, it's very important for me to be here. Being active, connecting with the people.
Have a go.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's derailing, isn't it?
Yeah.
You do a mechanics course to get a qualification, but also we'll build a bike and that'll be his bike to keep and take away. He's a bright fella, he doesn't need me. I need him more than he needs me, really, but just to see in some tiny little way, you know, we're making a difference, you know, and we can see it. This is what makes me buzz, working with people like him.
I don't work and I'm not allowed to work. If you don't work, you won't have money. I have lots of plans, like even to get to college.
See what you think.
Bicycle make your life easier. All people here, they are friendly. It's amazing.
The funding from LNER has allowed us to purchase these amazing tools that are really high quality, and which has meant that we can increase the number of bikes being built, and we must have built about 300, 400 kids' bikes with those tools that were given.
Fills a big gap in my life. I used to do a lot of experiments because I was a research scientist, and you were forever fixing things and making things, and that's what I'm fixing today. I'm fixing a squeaky front brake, and it's quite challenging actually.
I love cycling. I think it's such a fun way of getting around. This summer I taught 17 women how to ride bikes, and that was like pretty inspiring. So it's stuff like that. It's just seeing how a bike can transform someone's life.